Okay, YouTube, can you hear me? Okay, I am so sorry. I didn't realize the stream messed up a bit. Okay, let's see.
Good morning.
Morning. Right, give me a second. I need to reset everything. Dumb. No wonder YouTube was like, "Hi L, I cannot see you. Oh, I thought they were like just having problems with their stream. Then I realized, I didn't start. Sorry YouTube, I am so sorry. Okay, anyway, don't worry, you guys didn't miss anything. Okay, so let me just show you all what we've been discussing. So for GJ, the 4 hour just closed bullish, right? And then so did the 1 hour. So I am seeing bullish momentum to form for us to come up to at least 134,600, which is the previous 4 hour zone. So all we need is a break above 134,300 support to be formed, and then we can take it up, right? I don't think I'll be taking anything below this zone because then we'll be hitting a wall. Alright, then on the second one, on GU, same thing. I'm waiting for new support to be formed somewhere on this area, and then I'll take it up. So it's the same idea on GU as well, to 127,800. Yeah, so longs on GBP for the time being, but bear in mind later on during the New York session, right, we have lots of high impact news. So if you're taking trades during that time, please be careful. So on EJ, if we look at the daily, so on the daily, you see EJ stuck within this range here for the last 2 days. So I still see EJ coming down, because if you look at the overall higher time frame, it's short, coming down to at least this daily level at around 121. So it's just that if you look at my zones, right, there's a lot of minor zones that we need to clear as well. So if we go down to the 30-minute, I will only be taking shots below 122,600. Okay, 122,600. So EJ is definitely not forming yet.
Yeah, Eleanor, I think I don't know if I'm the only one, but I just see GJ on your charts.
You just see GJ?
Like on the screen, I just see GJ.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, have you changed to EJ and all the others?
Wait, now?
Yeah. Still GJ.
It's GJ, right? Okay, how about now? It should be a different screen.
GU right now.
Okay. I changed the
EJ,
screen.
yeah.
My bad. Yeah, but anyway, you guys heard what I said earlier already.
Yeah, we heard, yeah.
Oh man, so many technical problems. I'm sorry. Okay. Is this the day that we break 133.05 support on GJ? 133.05. That's really low. I don't think we're there yet, Anil. We need to come up first, because now it's definitely GJ has some bullish momentum going for it, so later on. What broker is best to use with NDD? I don't know what NDD is. Chancellor will be talking 2 hours. Some UK news, I think. Yes. Bailey, right? So Bailey is talking in 4.5 hours. Unless I'm missing something. I think that's the... doesn't seem like there's anything else until Bailey speaks. Today is like a double whammy. It's like Bailey plus Powell. So let's just be really careful. Oh. Anil, where do you have like a link you can guide me to? Because I'm just looking at this too and I don't see anything. I am using Pepperstone. Yes, guys, so the Zoom is now locked because it was a mess yesterday. Someone sent out the link to some other public chat on Telegram. I appreciate the publicity, but it was a mess on Zoom and people were calling really dangerous trades, which I did not like at all. So just to not have that kind of nonsense happening anymore, I've changed some stuff on Zoom. If you need more info, it's on the Discord. Link is on this YouTube description. Those who want to send charts, example is also on the YouTube description. Okay. Any try Sky News Live? Yeah, I tried Sky News. It didn't have anything. Bilal. Sorry, I butchered your name. Nothing so far. This was like the first site I opened. Anyway. Do we still wait for a retest at the 1 hour or higher? Or candle close above the previous candle would suffice to take a trade. No, I need a close. So close above 134 300 and then wait for new support. Right, standard stuff. Always wait for new support after the break.
Good morning, everyone.
Hey,
Good
morning. You came back so fast? Did you fly back?
Yeah. So, you know the order block I was telling you yesterday?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yeah. And was
so in
this?
this case,
I think here, right?
no, it was another one. It was this one, if I'm not wrong, which after it rejected this point.
Yeah.
and then it broke it. Because basically I see order blocks like support and resistance levels, yeah. But you can see that in this case, this is the same candle which broke these other highs. So basically, this order block now became like kind of support. And if you get this candle this morning, this morning, in your time zone would be night. It rejected exactly in that zone, and then went up.
Yeah.
Obviously, I was sleeping, so I didn't see all this happening. But otherwise,
Yeah.
it would be a good setup for me.
Yeah. Even if you missed this one, there was something that you could have taken here as well. But I think some of the people on Discord were discussing this, but then I said I didn't really like this one because firstly, it's the same thing as what happened last night. This candle over here closed with barely any top weight. Plus, the 1 hour and the 4 hour at that point in time was saying two different things. So I wasn't confident in the longs because I was and plus this has not really the best RR if you ask me. For me, yeah, at least for me, because this is. If anyone wanted to take this trade, right, the stop loss would have been at least 20 pips. To try for a 24 pip move, I don't think it's worth it. I would rather wait for above.
Also, the left side you can see all small candles, so basically,
yes,
I don't like it.
This one's here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this one's here?
Yeah. All of this, yeah.
Yeah, correct. So this area was just a mess as well. So there's just too many things in the way to go back up.
Exactly.
Okay, let's see. How many years have I been trading? 7. Chancellor's Twitter as our response to coronavirus adapts. Tomorrow afternoon, I will update the House of Commons on our plans to protect. Okay. I mean, this was in how long more? You said? 2 hours. Okay. Should be fine. Anyway, there's jobs news, so probably gonna run into the same time. Let's see. 30-minute close. Ooh, he took that order block trade you took. 30-minute close bullish at support. Stack 2 positions with 10 and 25 pips. Should have left runner but closed though. Yeah, nice catch of the support. Did you enter the second trade based on the 15, Young Boy Brown? If you did, then yeah, nice catch. If not, based on this chart, I don't know what was the basis of entry. What's trading nut? I shall Google it later. You familiar with edit with a little? Let's see. Is it on Go, Evan? But Go buy Go. Oh, seriously? You're looking for buys on Go? Are you joking? The joke is buy Go. Why? No, I think it will come down though. Like, this is so clear. Like till 1811 at least, what I can see.
Yeah. If you go onto the 15-minute time frame for gold, Ellie, and just let's zoom in there slightly. So we've got you can actually draw trend lines. You can see there's a very clear trend line at the bottom where it keeps bouncing off of.
Something like that.
Yeah, it's just adjusted slightly this morning. Last night you can see there was another trend line sort of between 7 and well, like 8 o'clock at night and 7 in the morning. It was a bit steeper. But and then you've obviously got a line at the top where those two candles have rejected, right? So we're doing that. Yeah, I mean, essentially that's it. So this morning I was looking at different time frames, and you could see gold was going up and then instantly coming back down, kind of thing. So I was playing off of that. We are on our way down to a spot at 1847, which I think it could bounce back up off of slightly, but yeah.
Is this something on the left?
Yeah, I think I've got this marked out on my chart for some reason. Let me just have a quick look. I didn't actually. Yeah, on the 4 hour, you've got a support zone around the 21st of July at 10 o'clock at
on
1846.
4 hour. Okay, here.
Yeah, you
there
see
we
the
go.
wicks. Yeah, so I've marked that out. But yeah, anyone looking for bars, please don't. Rather play with the trend, go down on the sells after it creates sort of like a resistance with a wick, and then play it down. There was a really good video yesterday from Ted. If anyone missed it, go onto YouTube, watch Wicks Don't Lie. He gives you a really good breakdown about how he reads gold, and that would give you some insights about what to do.
Yeah, I think Evan is also waiting for 40 plus. At least to this area though. It gave me a shock, Evan. I thought you wanted to buy it now. Yeah, it's a longer term move.
Yeah, you can see clearly there what it's been up to though, right? Like on that 4 hour time frame, kind of bounced up, creates a resistance, comes down, then bounce up again. So I've been playing between those two trend lines. And yeah, it's been good, but at some stage we're going to break down below. Yeah.
I think if you trade patterns and whatever, it's still trading within that channel, right? Technically.
Yeah. When we get the volume from the session opening up, then yeah, there might be a little pullback to then go down.
Yeah. Probably, but I mean, if you trade gold, this is definitely tradable range, right? But it's just where you're gonna put your stops.
Yeah. Trade at the top or at the bottom. Don't ever take a trade in the middle there. That's how you control your stops. If it breaks above, fair enough, you lose it. But there's a good risk reward ratio there.
Yeah. People like your gold analysis from YouTube. FYI, Ashton.
Thanks.
Just definitely don't buy gold. Not yet. If the trolls come back, then we'll tell them to buy gold. Are you looking at any sells? Possibly below 135.5 on GJ. Okay, so let's have a look. The 30-minute just closed bearish, closing for a lower high than the previous candle did, right? So I think some of you would think that this would be new resistance to come down lower. I don't think so yet. I think GJ still wants to test this area. So this is a dangerous area to short, because if you short it and then it comes back up to test, you would immediately get stopped up. Plus there is lesser volume now. So let's wait. Trading Nut podcast. Ooh, it's very interesting. I shall Google it later.
Yeah, I was looking at it. There are like episodes, like
really
90 episodes. Yeah.
Wow.
Podcast traders, basically. There's Uncle Ted, which is the number 66. Let's watching it now.
Yeah. Will you consider 15-minute closes above
66?
Sorry.
Will you consider 15-minute candle closes above 134.300? No. I really would prefer a 30-minute to break, and then I'll take it on the retest. The new support that forms, I might take it on a 15-minute support depending on how it breaks, but not on the break. Morning, thank you for the streams this week, has really helped my discipline. Yes, I really didn't take anything for the last 2 days, so hopefully you guys are also staying safe. Don't take random trades just for the sake of trading. It's the last week of the month, it's always slower, and we have these two gentlemen who like has been speaking so many times this week, so let's just be careful. Okay, who is, one second. Okay, those, they just DM'd me. One second. Okay, I'm gonna add you in. Dragon Spec, you are good to go. Whoever is 47 on Discord, okay, so the Zoom now, if you're in Raja's Slack group, you automatically would have access because Raja allowed me to post on his Slack. So this is how I just help the guys there. If you're in my group, you're not one of the mentees, then yes, it applies. So I think that that GJ in the long term is going bearish. It's just doing a big retracement to continue on. Yes, on the higher time frames, right, if you go up, it's definitely still trying to come down. Yeah, but it's just that because we have space till probably around 132. That's what I foresee on the higher time frames, but I think because of all the news this week, GJ just stuck. Right, thank you 47. Happy to answer your question. But if I reply slower on the Discord, just alert me, alright? Because I'm just managing a lot of things now. What level will you consider? What? At what level will you consider sales? Thank you for the stream. What do you mean sales? Yeah, Mushtaba, I know. That's why you have the thing. I know. You joined. You've been DMing me on IG. I know. Welcome. Hope all is well. Would you not consider 134, 300 as a fake out looking left? I think it already faked out yesterday night or afternoon during the London close. So if we look at the 4 hour, right? Sorry, it's the 1 hour here. I think that's what you're talking about as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, I would. So this is a fake out that you observed, right? This area is the most recent fake out. Oh, okay. I mean sales on GJ. Yes, I'm considering sales, but I'm trying to see what GJ wants to do at 134, 300 because right now it's really not clear. So if anyone took the sales on this resistance formed, then yeah, I'm not going to say much about that. But I didn't like it because it's too far from that zone. It's just floating. Unless you are looking at this, which I don't think so.
In my opinion, on GJ, we can see that from the 4 hour to the 30 minute, it's bullish. And even the daily, like the last candle, let's close bullish.
Yeah.
The 4 hour is bullish, as we can see. The hourly, it's going bullish as well.
Yeah.
It's gonna flip. I think bullish, because if we see the 30 minutes on the level where the candle just stopped in this level here, there's been some sort of problem even going up. So basically, I think it's kind of mini
zone.
resistance, mini zone, yeah, mini support.
Yeah.
To support the price going up. Yeah. In my opinion.
I think yesterday, if we look at the 15, right? 15 minutes, this whole area here, it's just the zone for GJ to bounce, because it bounced yesterday also. And then it also had some issues if you look left. It's not the most accurate here, but this whole area, if I were to just enlarge the zone, this whole area like this, it's problematic for GJ. That's why I wasn't confident in the sells, even though a 30-minute resistance formed lower than this. Yes.
Yeah, also the hourly candle just went bullish now on 16 more minutes, which could push a little bit higher to basically break the zone.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then I would consider buys.
Yeah. Yeah. So I always use the since I start trading based on starting from that 4-hour close, right? I always base a lot of I get a lot of guidance from this 4-hour candle first. So that's when I know whether I really want to take longs. That's my general direction for at least till Raja comes on. Yeah. And then after that, we'll make the next call when the next 4-hour candle closes. But for the time being, we're still long. Yeah, so no sells yet. That's an area from yesterday, NY2. Yeah, this one, right? Yeah. 134, 100, I believe. There's an area. GU. Yeah, GU is having problems here. We go up to the 1 hour. Yeah, gotta wait for it to close first. GU is the same thing as GJ. So on EJ, it's still coming down. Euro USD sells. Let's have a look. 4-hour looks clean, at least till this area. If you're looking for sells on this 15 close, right? I think the trade has already left. It's late. So your stop would be either really big above this area, or you are just putting it like somewhere above this candle, which then I would say it's risky because you might get flipped because the trade already left. If you wanted to get in, right, I think the better entry might have been on this candle here when it broke below this support on the 15. Rainman, I am using MT5 to place my trades, Tradingview to analyze my charts. This is such a great stream and my first time here. Thank you for having such a calm stream. Yes. No music. Play whatever you want to play on your end. I don't talk much. I only talk when it's needed. And when you guys ask stuff. Okay, be right back.
I'm pretty excited about some of the stuff happening today. I think there's going to be some good moves on GU and EJ.
Based on which news?
So basically at around 3 p.m. UK time, the Bank of England has government Bailey speaking.
Yeah.
Gov Bailey, governor, not government. And then you've got the Fed chair Powell testifying and Treasury Sec speaking. So yeah, I mean it's going to be a pretty volatile point in time, but we'll wait and see what happens there. That should be a good chance for GU to break below or go up.
Yeah, I'm hoping. Oh, I keep thinking today is Friday. Oh my god, this week feels so long because we've just been chopping around and not taking anything. Yeah, but hopefully after they're done, we might have some nice moves since we have been consolidating for almost like the whole week.
That's the thing, right? Yeah. Like it seems like it's been building up, waiting for this moment. So
yeah,
when you get a breakout after consolidation this strong, wow,
should be a banger.
Yeah, for sure.
Good morning.
Hey.
Morning.
How are you guys?
Okay. You didn't miss anything, don't worry.
Yeah, I was in the hospital all fucking night.
Oh my god, yeah, you sound super tired.
No, it's not me. It's just my son was running a fever last
Oh.
night, so
Oh.
we're in the hospital. Just got back.
Oh man. Why don't
Yeah.
you just take a break before? So let me show you the news and then you can decide. It's probably gonna be nothing. Look at how many red news we have. Check it out.
Yeah, it's all high impact news. But there was a good move in London, right?
Yes.
When it broke down.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. It did.
Yeah, I saw it happening at the hospital. I was like, I can't take this. I'm too busy right now.
Yeah, if you take it and then you lost it, you would be so pissed off.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But it was a good setup for whoever took it.
Yeah. It was here. I think this 15-minute setup, I think, that you saw.
Yeah, when it broke under what was it? 134,900 when it broke under there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
It looks good. What you smoking there, bro?
Yeah. Weed.
It looks good. Hook it up.
That's it.
Weed.
No, that's vape.
Babe, it looks good, man. What flavor is that?
I make flavors by myself.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I made some. It's blueberry flower.
I got the what's it called? Like the smoke, the small little one. Yeah, I don't like the fat vapes. I like something small that I can carry around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh guys, look. Someone is asking us to take a trade. Hey Paka, buy gold.
Buy gold.
Yeah, we are looking at gold to long. So just when it hits 147, just buy gold. 10 lots. Or as many zeros as your account can handle.
Man, yesterday gold took a dump like crazy yesterday.
Yeah.
We actually talked. I don't trade gold, but like that was a nice drop.
Yeah. So Paka, please buy gold.
Yeah, it's the RSI is saying it's oversold.
Yeah. So oversold, it's ready to go up.
You know, someone from Stream this morning posted, not Stream, from Slack posted a trade they did. They took a buy.
Oh shit. On gold.
Hoping that it was going to go up back into the 1900s. It was it was quite a good idea, like if it actually played out. But yeah, it was quite funny that someone actually did that.
Yeah. Yeah, Paka, just go buy gold. Seriously. Guys, so notice who I am talking to. I'm just telling one person to buy gold. Seriously.
Yeah, 10 lots. You know, you'll be a millionaire.
Yeah, do it. Come on, man. You will quit your job today.
In my opinion, just ban her or him, because it's like you're scared to trade. Obviously not here to lose money.
Yeah. And by the way, it's YOU_RE, not YOUR. Wow. Damn. There is
roasting session today.
Yep. Okay, so regulars, you would get it. Dum-dums don't get it. That's all. So wait, hang on. I missed any pairs you think are more favorable to trade after the London close from my experience. Joseph, I don't trade after that anymore because I trade from like 5 a.m. to 12 midnight my time, so that's 7 hours. So after that, I'm done. no trades on me. Plus, most of the large markets are gone. You only have the New York market. So if you're really looking for anything because of your job schedule, maybe you might need to look at a US dollar pair. Yeah, but just be careful.
There you go. GJ, I think is closing above.
Yeah.
Like the hourly candle gonna close in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Same the half an hour, obviously.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then might. yeah, little retracement. I'm waiting for a little wick then to form in the half an hour time frame. And probably I will long.
But break above
Let's see
only,
how
right?
this-
Would you?
Yeah,
wait?
of course.
Yeah.
No, I'm waiting for the break above the level 134 to 100 basically.
Oh, you will go long before this? Okay.
Before that, yeah, I
Oh.
do.
Risky though. Like this. No?
It's 11 hours.
Sorry. as long as it's closing above, in my opinion, the way I see things,
It should push.
has exactly at least 234, 450.
Yeah. I think if you take 10, yes. But again, for the new guys on YouTube, it's risky. If you don't know how to manage the trade, please wait for close above 134, 300.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's risky.
Yeah, you're targeting it. You're targeting it all the way up to 135.
At least this area, I think 134.6. Yeah, right? Or 134.5.
Yeah, the previous high, yesterday's high.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, if it breaks that, it should go up to 135.
Yeah.
Because there's clean traffic.
Yeah, this area here is clean.
I think it should go because, as I said, there was like a zone on the 15 minutes and 30 minutes, the one you just highlighted before, if I'm not wrong, which is this one.
This too?
Which acted like a support basically. Yeah. Not should go
yeah,
up.
but if this closes with no top wick, I'm definitely not getting it.
No top wick and below 134, 300. Oh, no. Yeah. 1 more minute. Break. Real question though, is there a way to trade gold with small account? Minimum sizes are too high for me. Honestly, Joshua, I think so right now, even for my account size, I am not even touching gold. I would like it to be bigger because the stops are gonna be but you don't want the stops to just keep wicking you out on gold, which is very likely what usually happens. What's this all about? People spreading my Zoom link on Telegram? I don't know. They just wanted to help me publicize. Dum-dums. Hi guys, are you replacing Monty? No, I'm not. I'm not going to be starting earlier either because my trading time starts at 5
What,
a.m.
did Monty stop trading or something?
I don't know. Did he have a stream? Whoever follows.
I don't know. I mean, he had a stream last week, I think, but this week he hasn't really been on.
Okay, so the 30-minute just closed right to that area. So this should fill the wick. And then if the momentum is strong, we should push higher. Let's have a look at the hour. Oh, it's stopped there. Be careful, man. Be careful.
Yeah.
Yeah, really be careful.
I mean, especially since you had like 3 bullish.
Yes, because I think
1 hour candles as well.
Yeah, because I think this move is a bit late. That's all. Yeah, that's just my take. Oh, Monty's moving house. That's why he's not there. Why do you take so long to move house? Oh, maybe he has to like unpack and stuff. Yeah, I haven't. Yes, their house is further than ours. Morning. He's only open to Zoom this week as he's moving. Oh, okay. Oh no, poor YouTube.
At this moment, I want GJ to wick down first, and if it rejects this area 134, 200 again, and push above the wicks, I'm gonna take a long position.
Yeah, correct. So if like solid support forms here, right, it could also be a trade idea of this for a bounce.
Yeah, but if it's just like breaking the high like right now, I'm not gonna take it.
Oh, definitely not, man. So no impulse entries. No. Chucky, NSS, no. Because this is a 1 hour zone. You don't want to take an impulse entry when it breaks the previous high and then you get flipped down. No. Dangerous. Paka would have made money. Gold went up. Yeah, that's why I already say buy. 2% profit. Let's have a look at this chart. Tristan. This is on GU. Is your risk reward positive? I hope so. Why? Let me see. Okay, let me have a look at my chart. 1 second. Yeah, I think for this one, so Tristan, I mean, good trade. Like for me, it wasn't really for me because I don't take 10 pips, right? So my fear is that it might bounce off this range because of the wicks on the left. Because if we see how this next 30-minute candle close, it barely had a top wick. So when this happens, right, it could just fill the wicks and then come back down.
Yeah. What if it doesn't have no bottom wick, like this right now? So when it doesn't have bottom wick, that means there's no selling, right? No selling happening.
Yeah, if there's no bottom wick, right, then it's even better because we should be going up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So same thing is happening with GJ right now as well on the 1 hour. Right, even though the 1 hour just started.
Yeah, has a baby
5
wick.
minutes ago. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think sorry?
That's the reason why I'm not in yet, because I don't enter without my confirmations. Basically, I was waiting for
for pullback.
I bought a wick to be created, you know, so I know where to put my stop loss. Otherwise, my stop loss at this point would be like
20, right.
20
yeah.
Which is a lot, you know?
Yeah.
I thought. Sorry, carry on.
So it just the hourly candle just opened like 5 minutes, so I guess it will pull back a little bit more, then it might fly up. Yeah.
Raja took me along. It's a very Raja trade. That's all. I think Raja probably doesn't have this 300 zone. I really don't think so. Why do we have it? Let me see. Yeah, because I don't think he has this. It's 300.
No, he doesn't. He has it at 100. He said buys above 100.
Yeah. So if you don't have this, you would be more careful. You would definitely take it, right? Because it's support. Yeah.
Yeah, it's going up, but you gotta wait.
Yeah.
The higher up it goes, let it go up, and then
it will come back
down, make support.
Yeah.
Then we can take it back up.
Yeah. It's 40. It's 30 pips. We can wait. Do you think it's safer to wait till the 30-minute to close? Yes. Best is that. Basically, I just want... I'm not going to enter on a close. I want new support to form. Even if it's on the 15, it's more probable than a breakout candle. Okay. Bye-bye, Paka. So annoying. Gave him a trade. He didn't want to take it. He would have made money. Took a risky trade on GJ. Let's see.
Raja, GJ, daily wick fake potential. Look for supports on the 30-minute.
Yeah, I think that's what this guy just did.
Instagram.
Stops below previous. Yeah. So young brown boy, you had so see, you were going for only 10, right? So you just traded 10 into the zone. So I mean, that's probably your plan. So if you stuck to it, then yeah, it's fine. It's just that for me, I don't take 10, so that's why that's definitely not a range for me.
Yeah, he already got his money for the day, it looks like.
Yep. It's a Raja trade. Oh, move away. Let's have a look at what Raja took.
He took it. His entries were at 134, 157, and 77.
On Slack?
Oh no, it's on Instagram. His story.
Oh. Let's have a look.
Yep, right there.
Raja's done. 134, 177, and 157. Let's have a look.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Because he didn't have this,
it's
right?
Gone.
Bye-bye.
It's gone.
Yeah, he didn't have this. If there is no bottom wick, it can be tricky because it might retrace data to create a wick, right? Yes, it will just chop, and then it will just chop sideways for a bit.
That's the reason why I didn't enter.
Yeah.
But still, no FOMO.
Yeah, it's okay. Because if it's easy to say like, damn, I should have caught the longs, right? Because the candle is like so big, like, oh, we missed it. But if it flips, then everybody would just be silent. Yeah, but it's just, it is what it is. Yeah, what's up?
On the entry for that one, so you know how it rejected off 134, 300. There was a little wick on the previous candle.
134. Okay, this one.
Yes, yeah. So you see how this candle closed with the small little wick on top.
Yeah.
So when this next candle opened up and it started going up slightly, because you're kind of gambling by taking a buy there. What I did was I just put my stop loss at the bottom of the candle forming, like literally at 134 270-ish kind of thing. I can't. And if it flipped, then yeah, you lose whatever your commission is on taking the trade. But if it pushes up, you're okay, you know.
Yeah, but that would be an impulse entry, so
100%. It's a complete gamble, and that's why my stop loss was literally at the base of that candle to minimize
your loss. Correct. So for anyone who's wondering what impulse entries are, firstly, if you really don't know what it is, don't trade it, or don't know how to take it, don't trade it. It's risky, but if you have your stops tight, then sometimes it pays off, right? Sometimes, not all the time. Because last night, it didn't pay off. So yeah, choose. You can choose it. Yes, Raja took it on impulse, definitely. I know you are waiting for support. What if support is created below 134, 300? How will you take the trade? Yeah, so Niranjan, if it forms somewhere over on this most recent support, right? And it's like a 15 or 30 minute support, then yes, definitely we can still take it up, depending on how the candles close. Oh, so many things.
Yeah, it was a good trade, but there was no confirmations, pretty much.
Yeah. I like to ask if the risk reward is not good, then the winning rate needs to be high like Raja, right? Yes. My win rate is not as high as his, so I'm gonna take 1.5R or 2R trades. Where is the daily rate view? Let's have a look. Ooh, 134, 600. That's where we are going. Yep. Well, bye-bye. I don't think the support is gonna form. If it forms, then very good. Right. But I don't think it'll form. The candle is too big.
Yeah.
Yeah. GU took profit at 30-minute high. Okay. Why wouldn't
it's breaking that high?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tristan, do you just take 10 pips? If you take 10 pips, then yeah, that's a nice trade. If not, then I would, since you have your zone drawn up, right, why not just aim for the zone? Because it looks like price wants to test. Oh, there we go. Oh, if it breaks above, guys, we're going to Mars. Oh, it's clean.
Yeah, but it's rejecting yesterday's high though. That's
Yeah.
yeah. Let it come down. Next support. Yeah, but if it comes down and goes back into the range, I'm gonna be pissed.
Means it comes back here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, I pulled up a wrong chart. But this is the one you sent, Tristan. Oopsie. Or did I pull it up already? My bad. I took 2 lots at 134, 200 and chickened out at break-even. Okay. Yeah. At least it wasn't a loss, that's all I can say. Oh no, we gave Paka the winning signal. Oh damn. Really? Well, he can win first. Go is gonna rob him later. For sure. How do you buy into this? Let the support form for more confirmation. My bias is long. Chairs on GJ. Ten pips, 50% run. Okay, nice. Wow, GU is also holding. It's holding all the higher time frame zones now. Tough. It's holding the 4 hour. Has the daily wick already been filled? I think so, right?
Yeah, it exceeded the wick too.
Yeah, so daily wick fill is done. Ooh, how about GU? Let's see. Yeah, GU wick filled the wick too. Oops. Yeah, GU filled the wick. Wow. GU would be quite a gross move up if it does. You took impulse entry. No, belief fasting. I don't take impulse entries. It was risky over at this area because if we look at the 30-minute, right, it closed right at the zone. So yeah. Oh no, Forex Buffalo. Go buy from 53.7 to 60. Good. Yay. Yay. No. Forex Buffalo, it's down. It's in a downtrend. If you want to trade the pullback to come to this area, it's dangerous.
Yeah, if you just zoom in quickly, Ellie, just on that actual time frame, on the 30-minute time frame, you see these wicks. We've got a wick on the current candle and wicks to the left. That entire zone, that 154 zone there, really risky. If you have made profits off taking a buy, good for you. That's great. I would have closed out sort of around that zone because you can see it's rejected there multiple times. Close partials at least, and just be careful.
No buys.
But yeah, don't get FOMO about it going up, guys. If it's going up, that means it's
pulling
brilliant
back
for us because it's going to come back down at some stage.
Yeah,
the pullback.
And it'll come down with more space for you to trade.
Yeah, for sure.
So we all know what we're looking for next. If it breaks above, new support.
Yeah, if it comes down to 134 or 134 300 and starts to create support there,
and we go again.
Yeah, I'll definitely look for it to fill that 600, 134 600 and potentially keep going up.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, I don't want to take it was a good trade, but I just didn't want to take it because it's just been bullish for like 4 hours or I don't know how long.
Yeah, I was like the fear is what if you caught it at the end near a zone.
Exactly.
Yeah, so yeah, it is what it is.
You had 3 bullish candles. I was scared of a
yeah,
of a 1 bearish candle at this point. So
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you could have taken an impulse entry, but
Yeah, this was like one of the few times that the impulse entries worked. Yeah.
I just wanted it to make a little bottom wick first and then go up.
Yeah.
But it just didn't do that.
Your chart didn't have a wick?
Yeah, that's
My MetaTrader doesn't have a wick at all.
Oh, I think Xiaoxi's
Bottom wick
one
at all.
also doesn't have. Oh yeah, mine doesn't have also. I think FXCM doesn't have. Let's have a look.
it has it, but it's very baby weak.
Baby wick. Oh no,
not-
let's not trick this, man. No wick at the bottom. Yeah, no strength.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I didn't enter, because
Yeah.
I have FXCM on my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, my broker. I was looking at MetaTrader on my broker, so
Yeah.
yeah, no bottom wick.
Yeah,
so,
same.
at all.
Mine has like a tiniest of dots. And I'm like 100% zoomed in. What's the next zone for GJ? 134, 700. If it goes up, 135.
Yeah.
135 is...
Come on, GJ. Do that for us today.
135 is 40 pips. Yeah, Bochuan, if you want, I can analyze your charts. We have time.
You got 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, correct. Ethan, exactly. Target zone 135, 160. 135, 160. Yeah, I think you're targeting this area, right? Yeah. I'm just being a bit more conservative, so I'm planning ahead. So if it reaches 135, I'm going to be careful. So that extra 10 pips, I'm not going to squeeze it. Yeah. Let's have a look at EJ. Oh, it did not want to break. Sad.
Come on, GJ, go down. Go down, please.
You need to be really polite to it. Go down, please.
Yes.
Please. EJ is really stuck in the range. For those that trade EJ, I'm really not the biggest fan of it. Please be careful if you're taking EJ. Let's hope we get some rockets. I still think it'll come down to form support above 134.4. Consolidate. And then push ups. Recent minor zone, right? So if it forms somewhere here, yes, let's take a push up. So this would be 134, around 500. Yes.
Yeah, it's like 10 pips.
Yeah. So is Raja bringing on that Forex broker killer tomorrow? Does anyone know, or is it next week?
I think he said this Friday, right?
Yeah, I can't remember.
It was this Friday.
Yeah, but either way, I'm just putting it out there. If he has that person on, then I'll start my streams earlier. Cause that guy looks like a doofus. I don't really want to waste my time listening to him. No offense, but yes, I would rather just look at the charts.
Yeah, I don't know. Was there something wrong with them and with him and Ted? Because I think Ted was saying like, I'm not going to be here as well if he comes or something like that.
Oh yeah, no, because
That
he's a
makes sense,
Forex Forex broker killer, right? So Ted owns his own brokerage, so that's why he's just not gonna be there. Yeah. Positive CBI in GBP news. Oh, was there something? CBI, or what's this? Yeah, it's low impact. I didn't look at it. DXY is increasing, GBP is going to drop. Too much negativity in the UK economy. Yes. What country am I in? Singapore. I'm in the islands of Bali.
Wait, was the CBI sales for GBP or was it for the US?
Pound. UK.
It was for UK. Okay.
Yeah. You said GJ is not my favorite. Then what are you doing looking at the whole... Oh, I misheard. My list is in accordance of favorites. Hey Foy, sorry I couldn't check your chart, but I'm here. Yeah. Was that GJ push got to do with CB's sales news? I don't know, but I don't think so. It's like low impact. I don't even know what this is. Indicator of short-term trends in the UK retail and wholesale. I don't know. I don't think so. Low impact news, I usually just ignore it. She be hating on Forex Broker Killer. I don't hate him. I just decided to start the streams earlier. Just saying. So you guys have options. That was a very politically correct answer. Yeah, you have options. You can watch him or you can watch my stream. Choose. Or you can leave it both on. Your choice. Support forming around 134.5. Let's have a look. Yeah, we have a bearish candle. We want to wait for the next candle to form bullish, yeah. We don't want to take this now, because if it flips down, comes back in, we're screwed. Those who went long, no, wait for new support.
Yeah, whoever's long should be closing partials, leaving a runner.
Yes. Whoever's long, your stop loss should be below the zone to protect your trade. Yeah, and then securing your profits as well, because it already rejected 134.600.
And also that is a low time frame zone, so I don't think it's a very strong confirmation as a support. You know, it might come down to the, I think, my opinion, yeah, to the 134.250 to create kind of support for them to fly the price up. That's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah.
If it's breaking up over 134.600, obviously, then I will wait for support in the zone you are saying now.
Yeah. It's just that this one is a minor zone, so if this doesn't hold right, then it's
exactly.
this area, yeah, correct. Because we always want to look at things that are blocking our way. So this is the first block. If it doesn't block, then what's the next one? Yeah.
And the hourly candle has other like half an hour to close, so basically we got still time to retrace down, in my opinion, with the current candle. Or to fly up.
Yeah, no, but the thing is, this candle might also wick fill and then come back in again. Yeah, because it's still trying, right? So it's still trying to break the zone. That's that's really what it's trying to do. So basically, I explained like to one of my students today. Okay, it was a very funny explanation, but this area here, it's like the buyer's house. And then this area here, on top, is like the seller's house. Basically, they are fighting. So when this guy, the buyers just went up into the seller's house, they got wet. And then they came back down into their own house to get more people. So now they're going back again. So that was my explanation to my student.
Yeah, somebody explained it to me like a rubber band. Like you need to pull back to get that rubber band to pull back, and then like you let go of the rubber band and then it explodes up. Right?
Yeah. Because the reason why the conversation started, right, was because he was also asking me like, what do we do when there's no wick? He didn't really understand it. So for example, like this area here. So this area had no wick, right? This candle. Oh, where's my mouse? 1 second. Yeah, so this one here had no wick. So I told him this bottom area is the buyer's house, right? So they got some people and then they went up, and then they went up with more people again. And then they tried and they got, the seller said, no, you are coming down. So they came back down in the form of this little wick here. Got some more people from their gang over here. And I went up again to try. And this is the seller's house now. So that's what happened. So now there are more sellers here. That's why you see this candle over here forming bearish and closing. Yeah. Alright. Raja is on. I will see everybody on part 2 later.
Thanks, Al. Bye.
No worries. See you guys.
Thank you.
See you.